Hi friends, uh, welcome to Easy IAS. So this is also from PIB News. This is the current update. Okay, so this is regarding Jal Jeevan Mission in Karnataka. Jal Jeevan Mission in Karnataka plans to provide 25 lakh tap connections by March 2022. So 25 tap connections. Okay, 25 tap connections by March 2022. So okay, so Karnataka State presented their action plan under Jal Jeevan Mission today. Okay, today via video conference with details of the state's action plan for the year 2021 to 22, as well as saturation plan for the whole state, thereby ensuring every rural household get tap water connection. In 2021 to 22, the state plans to provide 25 lakh tap water connections in rural areas of the state. Okay, so Karnataka state has 91.19 lakh rural households. Okay, so 91.19 lakh rural households, out of which only 28.44 lakh, 31.2% have trapped have tap water supply. So far 23 panchayats and 676 villages, 23 panchayats and 676 villages in the state have been declared Har Ghar Jal. Thus name declare that Har Ghar Jal, that is the name of that, which means every rural household tap water supply. It is a big move to empower the community, as it not just provides ease of living and to the women and young girls who are primarily the water managers in every household, but also gives them time to pursue education, learn different vocations, upgrade their skill and spend time with the family, which was otherwise used to travel long distances in search of water. So 95% schools and 94% Anganwadi centers, 84% ashrama halls, 91% gram panchayat buildings and 92% and 92% healthcare. 92% health centers have piped water connections in Karnataka. That's good. Then the state plans to cover the learning centers, GP, building and health centers in next few months. There is urgent need for grey water management and behavior change among people, so that water, which is limited as a resource, is used judicially. The state plans to cover 17,111 villages falling under the priority category as drought-prone and desert region, SC and ST dominated habitations, aspirational districts, etc. in the current financial year. The National Committee analyzed and advised on plan presented by the state. The state was urgent to gear up and make concerted efforts to not just complete the task from the last year, but also fast track the work planned for the current year. In 2021 to 22, out of 30 districts in Karnataka, the state plans for complete saturation of 2 districts, ensuring 100% tap water connections to rural households. The committee emphasized the need to touch the water supplied in not just the household but also in schools and Anganwadis. So schools and Anganwadis also water is needed. To ensure transparency and accountability, a robust grievance redressal mechanism has been developed by the state of Karnataka called Bhumi Online Parihara. This is the question. It can be the question. To ensure transparency and accountability, a robust grievance redressal mechanism has been developed by the state of Karnataka called as Bhumi Online Parihara. It provides a quick and easy mechanism grievance redressal related to drinking water supply also on daily basis. JJM is a flagship program of the Union government, that is Jal Jeevan Mission, okay, which aims to, this is the important point, okay, so this is the important point, which is that this is the important point, okay. So the Union government, which aims to provide piped potable water to every rural household. In the previous financial year 2021, 1189 crore central fund was allocated for the, okay, allocated for the okay, allocated for the where is that, okay, allocated for the fund was allocated for the state to provide assured tap water supply in every rural household. In the current financial year 21 to 22, the state has been is likely to receive central funds to the tune of 3,000 crore rupees, for which the state needs to have a proper plan for effective utilization of the funds to make provision of household tap water connection in villages. Okay, so the annual action plan in detail covers a plan for drinking water sources strengthening, augmentation, water supply, grey water treatment and reuse, and operation and maintenance of in-village water supply systems, IEC planning, support activities like water quality monitoring and surveillance, training, etc. The state is planning for intense skill training of 40,000 rural people as masons, plumbers, electricians, motor vehicles, mechanics, fitter, pump operations in 21-22. It means that skilled human resources to be created in the villages, which will be helpful in building water infrastructure. So that is very, very important. And okay, the month-long exercise of taking up the annual action plan of the state's duties under Jal Jeevan Mission is done by a committee chaired by Secretary, Department of Drinking Water and Sanitization of Ministry of Jal Shakti, members from different central ministries and departments and Niti Aayog to do a rigorous scrutiny of the proposed app. Thereafter, okay, funds are released throughout the year, coupled with regular field visits by the national team, and frequent review meetings are held to guide and provide technical assistance to ensure smooth implementation of the mission and help achieve the goal of Har Ghar Jal. Okay, in 2021 to 22, in addition to 50,011 crore budgetary allocation for Jal Jeevan Mission, there is also 26,940 crore rupees assured fund available under the 15th Finance Commission. How much? 26,940 crore rupees assured available under the 15th Finance Commission. Trade grant to RLB PRIs for RLB PRIs for water and sanitation, matching state to share and externally aided as well as state funded projects. Okay, thus in 21-22, more than 1 lakh crore rupees is planned to be invested in the country on ensuring tap water supply to rural homes. This kind of investment in rural areas will boost the rural economy. That's very, very nice. Under Jal Jeevan okay, under Jal Jeevan Mission, preparation of village action plan and constitution of village water sanitation committee for every village is of utmost importance, so that they are not only the key stakeholders in planning implementation of the water supply schemes in the villages, but also in the long run the villages are empowered to operate and to maintain the water supply infrastructure created under the Har Ghar Jal program. Under Jal Jeevan Mission, okay, preparation of village action plan and constitution of village water sanitation committee for every village is of utmost importance, so that they are not only the key stakeholders in planning implementation of the water supply schemes in the village, but also in the long run the villagers are empowered to operate and maintain the water supply infrastructure created under the Har Ghar Jal, okay, Har Ghar Jal program. Efforts are made to drought tile all available resources by convergence of different programs, that is MGNREGS and SBM 15th Finance Commission, and grants to PRS, okay, Campa funds and local area development funds, etc. The state has to involve the local village community gram panchayats and our user groups in planning, implementation, management, operation and maintenance of water supply systems in villages, okay, to ensure long-term sustainability, thereby help achieve drinking water security. The state was urged to start IEC campaign through community engagement in all villages, okay. So this is that. And next one is that, okay, under Jal Jeevan Mission, water quality. Under Jal Jeevan Mission, water quality testing laboratories at the district and state levels are given priority and are open for the general public so that they can test their water at nominal rate, okay. Community is being encouraged for surveillance of water quality. PHA department is facilitating to empower and engage with the community. For this, an action plan is carried out to incorporate the various planned activities like timely procurement of field test kits, timely supply of kits to the community, identification of at least 5 women in every village for community engagement, training women on how to use the field test kits, and reporting and collating the reports with laboratory based findings of the water resources. So this is all about central government, JJB, okay, JJM, that is Jal Jeevan Mission, okay, and this state government Har Ghar Jal, this is the state government, okay. So this is very very important, friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.